But the purpose of this video is just to show for people who are new or want a refresher how to properly set up your straps. Like maybe you want to do a little strap and posture audit, which I suggest is a good thing seasonally. Or maybe you have a brand new pair of straps, or maybe you're brand new to this whole process. Things to talk about straps. So the two things when you're shopping for new straps, you want to get straps which are the appropriate width for your shoulders and your body and the size of your accordion. So if you're a larger person with larger, broader shoulders, straps like these are really good. And they even make them a little bit wider. Some flare at the top. Those are good. These are too large for me, but they're what I have here. So they're what I'm that they're going to drift down a little bit, and they're getting close to here. So they're not quite too large, or they're not ideal. Ideally I'd like a little bit of a thinner, less wide strap. So you don't want it to go on where the rotator is, or whatever that's called, the ball in the socket here for your shoulder. That's bad because that's constricting that, which could lead to injury. And then if it's too close to your neck, then you're going to get abrasion, which will happen. So you don't want that either. So you want it right on your trapezius muscle to be very, very comfortable, just like that. Okay, so that's one of the factors for purchasing straps. The other factor, let me make sure it's still recording. Yeah, the other factor for purchasing straps is you want it to be the right length. So what we're going to do is the left side is going to be tighter on us, which is going to pull the accordion. We want the bottom right corner of the keyboard in our inner right thigh. So I can show you, let's see if I hold these two up, you can see they are not the same length at all here. You can see that. Let's see if I can hold that back. There's the top. So I'm going to take the shorter one and I'm going to put it on the left. And again, because it's shorter, it's going to pull the accordion more to the left. It's going to make sure that the accordion sits more on my left. The new leather can be very challenging. It's usually not pliable. So what we want is we want the accordion tight against our body. That's very important. And that's going to be helped by a back strap as well, which I don't have here. And I'm not going to show today, but let's see. Oh yeah, this is nice and tight. Good. So you can see that's quite tight, which is good for me. Whatever your body size looks like, you want it to be tight against your body. This is how we want it. So I know that this is more stuff that I'm not going to go to because this is just about shoulder straps, but your chair height is super important. It needs to match the length of your legs. That's what's going to give you comfort and support. So you don't want too high, and you don't want too low. Yeah. Okay, it feels good. So notice it's not parallel with the floor. It's at an angle. The bottom right corner is in my inner right thigh, and I like this setup. I did make that one adjustment. The left side seems good, and that makes sense because I took these from another accordion. That accordion was taller than this one, which makes sense for why I needed to adjust it. But it's good. And then the only other thing I'm going to do is I'll add a back strap, and maybe I'll do that in another video. But this is looking good.